The the evertech shotgun shell dual flame lighter. I'm going to show you how to replace the flint today. It's actually really easy. Another video I kind of screwed it up, but in this video I want to show you guys it's a lot more easier than it looks. First things first, you just open up the top, like so, and then in fact you just pull this whole piece out, and you get this piece, just the outer casing. So now what you want to do, this little valve right here, you have to twist it. And the spring comes out. This thing. And there's the flint. I already have a good one in, so I just decided to make this video again. But yeah, that's all you have to do. So this is a new flint. Put it in this hole. Take this piece. There's another piece on there on top of the spring. When you open it, make sure that does not come off. You need that. But yeah, you just put this back in like that and screw it in. Now, your flint should ignite again. Putting it back in is just as easy. Push it down. Make sure it's firmly in there. There you go. And that's all. It's pretty easy. It took me all of 2 minutes. I suggest the best kind of flint to use is the Zippo flint packs. You can get them at any kind of dollar store or gas station. They come with about 5 flints. And yeah, that's all you need. There's no tools involved. Just make sure you do not lose that spring and that top piece. That is all I gotta say. I hope this helped for anyone who needed it. Thank you.